Today I'll show you how to pinch to zoom in on your iPhone. You can do this on apps that support it. Usually you will pinch to zoom in on a picture. You can do this on a website also to pinch to zoom in. So the movement of your fingers is like this. You put your fingers when they are close to each other on the screen, and then you move your fingers further apart from each other, and like this you zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, you can, for example, it's like this. I put my fingers further apart from each other and then bring them closer as they are touching the screen. So they are touching the screen now. So that's the most useful option for pictures or for websites. You can do this with websites. And I'll show you in the Photos app, I can do this on a singular picture, but you can actually do it on all the photos. You can zoom in on photos like this. You start with your fingers close to each other, you press on the screen and you keep holding them on the screen, and then you move them further apart. That's how you can pinch to zoom in. I can do the same on a simple individual photo, zoom in, and there is a limit of how much you can zoom in. At some point you don't see much, there's not much information there. On the home screen this doesn't work because it's just not made like that, but you can do this on any websites. Most websites, actually, some of them, they don't have this function, and you can zoom in to see the text better. And for websites you can actually rotate the page so you can see the text bigger by itself and fit on the whole screen of your iPhone. That's it. I hope this helps you see how to pinch to zoom in. You put your fingers close to each other on the screen and then you move them further apart like that, and that's how you pinch to zoom in. Thanks for watching.